Solve by factorization. 9x square minus 6b square x minus whole into a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4 is equal to 0. Solution. Here we can solve this equation by factorization by splitting the middle term. Here middle term is minus 6b square x. We have to split this as two terms. So take the product of coefficient of x square and constant term, that is 9 into minus a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4. A to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4 is equal to minus 9. Write a to the power of 4 as a square whole square minus b to the power of 4 b square whole square. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. We know that a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. We can apply this here. Minus 9. Here a is a square, a plus b, a square plus b, b is b square. A square plus b square, a minus b, a square minus b square. Now we can split this as two terms such that 3a square plus b square, we can put minus here, 3 a square minus b square. Now minus 3 into 3 minus 9, a square plus b square, a square minus b square. When we add these two, we will get minus 6b square. We can check. Minus 3 into a square minus 3a square, minus into plus minus 3b square plus 3 into a 3a square minus 3b square. Minus 3a square minus 3a square 0, minus 3b square plus minus 3b square is equal to minus 6b square. This is our middle term. Now write minus 6b square x as these two terms. Write x for both the terms. Now take given equation as equation 1. Now equation 1 implies 9x square. Write minus 6b square x as these two terms. 3 into a square plus b square into x plus 3 into a square minus b square into x. Write a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4 as a plus b into a minus b, that is here, minus a plus b is a square plus b square, a minus b here is a square minus b square, that is it has written as a square plus b square into a square minus b square is equal to 0. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4 terms here. Take common factors for first two terms and next two terms. Common factor for these two terms 9 and 3 is 3. X square and x is x. Write in bracket left out here 3x minus a square plus b square. Common factors for these two terms is a square minus b square. Here also a square minus b square. Therefore common factor is a square minus b square. Take that out. Write in bracket left out 3 into x 3x minus a square plus b square left out is equal to 0. Now 3x minus a square plus b square is common in both. Therefore take that out. 3x minus whole into a square plus b square, write in bracket, left out 3x plus this a square minus b square is equal to 0. Now these two are the two linear equations. Make that separately. That is 3x minus a square plus b square is equal to 0, or 3x plus a square minus b square is equal to 0. 3x is equal to a square plus b square, or x is equal to a square plus b square by 3. X is equal to a square plus b square by 3 is one solution, or 3x, shift a square minus b square whole to RHS, that is minus whole into a square minus b square, or x can be written as x is equal to minus into minus plus b square minus a square by 3. These two are the solutions of the roots of the given equation. Now solve the equation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.